The rain stopped for my walk, y'all, but I think it's too windy for me to try to talk to y'all. But I'm just so excited. It's been a full day too. Had a client session. Actually went an hour over, but that was amazing. You know, she just catching me up. And she's one I'm gonna meet with every week. So that's how that's gonna go. But yeah, I'll do my little walkie walk. And that makes me happy. It's almost 2 o'clock. I haven't eaten lunch yet because it's been a full day. And I thought about just going home because my HelloFresh got delivered. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat my leftovers that I brought. And I'll make the HelloFresh maybe for lunch tomorrow. If I feel like it when I get home, the first meal. But I do plan to do a quick unboxing with y'all. And then I'll do a longer video of the meal prep and review of each meal. I got 3 this time. So yeah, that's how that's going. Hope everybody's having an amazing Tuesday. He didn't have to wake us up, but he did. Namaste. Look who I ran into during my walk. Somebody better tell them it's too close to Thanksgiving. And they coming out the cut, boy. How many of y'all is it? Let me not make them mad. They still coming. They still coming. How many of y'all? They still coming. How many of y'all in there? That's wild. I guess that's all of them. But some got left for being a straggler.
When it comes to it, and you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart, I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still billed me. They took my innocence, no surprise I pled guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.